Hi everyone, I'm Dina and I'm an off-road racer. I'm here to tell you more about the differential lock of the Revo GR. Essentially, when we always get stuck in a tough spot when it comes to rally racing, during the race, getting to the race, we always put on something called as L4. L4 की जो switch होती है, turn that on. L4, what it does essentially, it puts the car into all four wheels will be in low 4. It helps you take the car out much easier, puts less strain on the engine, puts less strain on both of the locks of the front and rear, the differentials. It's just much easier to get out of a tough, muddy spot with using L4 than using anything else. And another extremely special feature about this car is that it has a monotube suspension. It makes normal driving and off-road driving much more comfortable. And this is one of the many things that makes the Revo GR unbeatable.